Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Windows Defender Firewall. It's not recommended to run Windows without a firewall enabled, but if you need to turn off the default Windows one, this is how you do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Open up the Start menu and search for Control Panel and open it. In the Control Panel, select System and Security. Now select Windows Defender Firewall. From the left menu, click on Turn Windows Defender on or off. Here you can turn off the Windows Firewall. You have different options for private networks and public networks in case you want to only disable it when on a private home network. Windows Firewall is now disabled, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.